Good morning everyone and welcome to week 9 of the van build. So I can't believe it's week 9. I'm hoping that we've only got 2 or 3 weeks left. It's looking that way with how well everything's going. So I'll take you through what we're going to try and achieve this week. So this week we're going to sort out the back doors, clad them all, make sure they're all well insulated, and then we need to focus on the gas and the water system, which we still need to cut holes for, so that'll be this week's challenge. And then hopefully, if there's some time left over, we can start painting the cladding. So that is the plan for week 9. So this is one of the last bits of the van essentially that needs insulated. So we're going to put the foam on it and then the thermal van liner, and then that should be the whole thing fully insulated. Ta-da! It's looking pretty cool. So this is the final result from yesterday's work. We cladded the back doors, well, the top of them, and created the little boxes for the portholes. And we're going to have a little ledge here as well, so I can set some stuff on it. But today we are going to clad the bottom of these doors and pick up some more wood. And then I'm not entirely sure what else we're going to do today. I think we need to box out some more areas, and also we need to finish off the bathroom area. So could be anything. We'll see what happens. So today we are focusing on getting this cupboard built, actually getting the door on it, and I've ordered some handles which will arrive tomorrow, and I'm hoping by the end of the day we can see what it's going to look like, and then we can do this one and the bedroom one. So this is how we're getting on with the cupboard. We've cut out basically the full shape with 6mm ply, and we have these bits which is going to be the fronts, and we're going to clad them, and the idea is that they will fit in, and then we've got these little hinges, and I've ordered some little doorknob thingamabobbers that are coming tomorrow. Handles, that's the word, thank you. But yeah, so, and then I'm really excited to see this actually as a functioning cupboard area. So let's see how it goes. It's currently drying right now with wood glue, and then we're going to clad on the little bits, and we might need to put a little lip here to stop it from going inwards, but we'll see. I'll update you on that. So Brad has put the cladding against here and measured it out from that, and then we'll stick it all together and glue it down. Maybe nail it down too? Maybe. And then yeah, and then we'll see how it looks. But this is the cupboard front coming together. what it looks like. The little hinges there, and we will have a handle. They arrived today. It's cool, isn't it? Our first front. Very cool. Well done, Bradley. Hello and welcome to another day on the van build this week. So we are basically doing the cupboard doors and it looks like I've got somewhere. So this week we're basically still continuing on with getting our cupboards sorted, and we have put two drawer fronts there, and that's gonna happen for the rest of them. I bought some handles which are due to arrive today, so hopefully I'll be able to check that out. And I'm making a start on the first undercoat primer paint for the back doors. So I want to do all the colour. I want to put my main colour, which is natural calico, on top and see what it looks like before I do the rest of the van. So yeah, going well, and let's get going. So we have sorted all the drawer cabinet fronts, and I ordered these handles, which I really like. I got them off Amazon, and they'll go really well with the whole theme going on here. And these are going to be painted natural calico white, so that'll be nice. Now we're going to be working on our curtain rail. We ordered this stuff, basically bendable rail, off Amazon, and I'm going to attach a piece of wood to attach it to, and then hopefully we'll have a curtain rail by the end of it, and I can order some curtains and we can see what it looks like. So we put up the little rail, put a bit of wood here to attach it to, and then yeah, works pretty well, and we can attach curtains to it, and that will cover the light and any heat loss from the front area at night. So I'm quite pleased with that because this was super cheap off Amazon, and an easy solution to getting some curtains in here. And we're also going to do it on the shower because we can't have a door here. There's no swing, there's no room, so we're going to have a curtain, and then we'll have them here. And are we going to put them on the floor? Yeah, and we're going to have little ones there as well. Can't wait to cut the fabric for that. But yeah, so all done. Hello, so this is the final day of week 9. I hope it's week 9, otherwise I've messed that one up again. But today we are, what's our plans for today? We're going to box out
the Malaga, where the water heater is going to go.
Yes, which is going to go
on top of the wheel arch at the back, so we need to create a stable base for it.
Yes, and another news, actually, we got our fridge back and it works. So we finally have a working fridge, and it's quite spacious actually, so we're quite pleased with that, which is great. But yeah, so we're going to box that out, and hopefully we'll be getting our gas all sorted next week. Yes, so let's go. I can show you how we finished off. This was, the fridge is now boxed in this little slot here, and then we created this area to basically mount the Malaga. So we're gonna have someone check that over and make sure it's okay. But yeah, and now you can start to see what the back area is going to look like. This will obviously all be kind of shadowed off because there's going to be work surfaces here. But yeah, it's coming together. Alright guys, so that is it for week 9 of the van build. This week we got a load of bits and bobs done. Nothing, I don't think there was anything specific other than the cupboard fronts, which we're really happy with. I can't wait to paint them, but yeah, next week is going to be a lot of painting, hopefully. And we're hopefully going to get our whole gas water system all sorted, and once that's done we will build the kitchen area, and that's kind of like all the major stuff done, and it'll basically be a case of tidying everything up and making sure everything works and making it all look pretty. So yeah, so thank you for tuning in this week, and if you want to stay updated on our van build adventures, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel. But for now, I will see you next week.